Hi guys, my name is Tabitha and today I'm so excited to show you guys this LED fan lamp. Now this just simply uses a E27 bulb socket, which is incredible. So I am here in my closet where before I had this very outdated light, and I'm incredibly excited to replace it with this. So you can simply screw the fan light directly into it, or they do provide a little extension here. So I'm going to be using that just because it makes more sense for me because of the original fixture that was up there. So just simply attach these to one another, and then in just a second I'll get this screwed in and I'll show you how phenomenal this product is. So on the LED light portion, there is this kind of acrylic like cover, and on the bottom it has this detailing. It almost kind of looks like crystal like, so it definitely helps disperse the light a little bit, and it just looks absolutely stunning. Now the fan blade, they're just simple kind of clear plastic blades, but they create some major wind, and this product does come with a remote that makes using this so handy. But you can get some simple functions just from a light switch as well, so I'm going to tell you all about that. And I do have the power turned off, so let's get this put in. So cute. It's a great size, especially for my closet here. So when you first turn it on, it's going to look a little like this. It's kind of like in the middle temperature wise of its range. It does get up to 6500K temperature. So on the remote here, you have your simple on-off button, and then you have ACL off, and then you have brightness up and down, you have color temperature down and up, and then you have this seg section, which is just like pre-programmed things, so you can toggle between and see if there's one that you like, or you can manually control it with the outer ring. And then below that are your fan settings, so you can turn the fan off and on, or you can control the speed. I love that you can control things separately from one another, so you don't have to have the light on to have the fan, and vice versa. So I can turn the fan on. This is speed 1, and then speed 2, speed 3, it feels so good, and speed 4. If you have the fan and the light on, you can press the ACL off and it will shut it all down. Alright, so let me show you the brightness and temperature control options. So I'm going to go all the way down on temperature. Alright, so it gets super warm, and then here is the brightness levels there. You can just hold it down and it will fade through. So that's as dim as it gets and as warm as it gets. And then here is how bright that one gets. Changing the temperature here. This is as cool as it gets. Like I said before, you do have that pre-programmed seg button, so you can toggle through a few different programmed options. You do have a few little controls from the light switch if you don't have your remote on you. So if you obviously turn it off, everything is going to go off because it has no power. And if we give it a second, turn it back on, it will give you just the light. If you turn it off and then turn it back on, it will give you both the light and the fan, or there's a third option to have the light off and the fan on. So you'll just have to play around with it, flip it up and down a few times to get it to where you want it, and you don't have to necessarily have the remote on you. So this is truly such a phenomenal product. I absolutely adore it. So if you guys were looking for a really easy to install and simple to use light fan combo, this is a perfect option. I would definitely give this a try.